Hello everyone, welcome to NEET Buddy. Here we are providing you with daily biology MCQs so that you can have little extra practice for the coming NEET exam and gain confidence for the coming NEET exam. We have already finished revising class 11th and class 12th NCERT biology once, and this is the second time revision of class 11th NCERT biology that is going on. And today I'm going to provide you with the MCQs from the chapter that you're seeing on your screens. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. In C4 pathway, carbon dioxide fixation occurs in chloroplast of option A. Palisade tissue, option B. Mesophyll cells, option C. Bundle sheath cells, or option D. Garth cells. In C4 pathway, carbon dioxide fixation occurs in chloroplast of. Correct answer is option B. Mesophyll cells. Question number 2. Light energy is converted to chemical energy in presence of option A. Pyrenoids, option B. Chloroplast, option C. Ribosomes, or option D. Mesosomes. Light energy converted to chemical energy in presence of. Correct answer is option B, that is chloroplast. Question number 3. The law of limiting factor of photosynthesis was given by option A. Blackman, option B. Hill, option C. Rubin, option D. Kalman. The law of limiting factors for photosynthesis was given by. The correct answer is option A. Blackman. Question number 4. During the process of photosynthesis, light saturation occurs at what percent of full sunlight? Option A 10%, option B 1%, option C less than 1%, option D 5%. Saturation occurs at what percent of full sunlight? Correct answer is option A 10%. Question number 5. Plants are known as purifiers of air due to the process of option A. Respiration, option B. Photosynthesis, option C. Transpiration, option D. Desiccation. Plants are known as purifiers of air due to the process of. Correct answer is option B. Photosynthesis. Question number 6. NADPH is generated through option A. Glycolysis, option B. Photosystem 1, option C. Photosystem 2, option D. Anaerobic respiration. NADPH is generated through. Correct answer is option B. Photosystem 1. Question number 7. Dark reaction of photosynthesis is so called because option A. It can occur also in dark. Option B. It does not require light energy. Option C. It cannot occur during day. Option D. Occurs more rapidly at night. Dark reaction of photosynthesis is so called because. Correct answer is option B. It does not require light energy. Question number 8. The core metal of chlorophyll is option A magnesium, option B iron, option C nickel, option D copper. Core metal of chlorophyll is. Correct answer is option A magnesium. Question number 9. What is common between photosynthesis and respiration? Option A cytochrome, option B light, option C water, option D temperature. What is common between photosynthesis and respiration? Correct answer is option A cytochrome. Question number 10. Which is the most abundant enzyme in world? Option A carbonic anhydrase, option B rubisco, option C alcohol dehydrogenase, option D none of these. Most abundant enzyme in the world. Correct answer is option B rubisco. Question number 11. The first reaction of photorespiration is carboxylation, decarboxylation, oxygenation, phosphorylation. Correct answer is option C oxygenation. Question number 12. Photosynthesis energy from light reaction to dark reaction is transferred in the form of During the process of photosynthesis, energy from light reaction to dark reaction is transferred in the form of ADP, RuBP, ATP or chlorophyll. Correct answer is option C, ATP. Question number 13. What is the location of Kelvin pathway in C4 plants? Location of Kelvin pathway in C4 plants. Mesophyll cells, bundle sheath cells, palisade tissue, none of these. Correct answer is option B, that is bundle sheath cells. Question number 14. In CAM plants, carbon dioxide acceptor is RuBP, PEP, OAA or PGA. In CAM plants, the carbon dioxide acceptor is. Correct answer is option B, PEP. Question number 15. Which is more affected by temperature? Light reaction, dark reaction, both are equally affected or both are not affected? Which is more affected by temperature? Correct answer is option B, dark reaction. So those are the MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow at this very place, this very time with another set of MCQs from the next chapter of class 11th NCERT Biology. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful. And if you are new out here, do go and click that red button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.